हमें झिया ए वर्ष एडमिशन नेल साइंस रे रेवेन्सा रे परसेंट केट थिला 93 कोठो घर कोठो घर जगतपुर बस हां चल एक बस जा हां झिया तमो देखा जीवन एटी पळे आसना हाँ तमे छोट अच्छ ए आगु पळे आस बस तमे ए झिया से जो छोटिया झिया एटी पळे आस फ्रंट माने डर लागुची कि टिके साइकोलॉजिकली नर्वस लागुची हां बस So now let us go to invitation to English 1. समझते आनिच? So now let us go to the first chapter. Again. हाँ. So let us go to the first chapter. Standing up for yourself. Written by Evgeny Evtushenko. Means the author's name is little bit difficult to pronounce. Now introducing to author. Author, like he is a Russian poet, novelist, essayist, dramatist, screenwriter, actor, editor, etc., etc., etc. So that means in this particular chapter, the author is having a lot of experience about, means regarding English in every branch of English, writing essays, novels, stories, applications, paragraphs. So author is having ample experience. So in this particular chapter, he has expressed his feelings, his views on a particular thing. Now let us see. Unit 1, warm up. Warm up माने कौन? Warm माने गरम, गरम ना नहीं. हमें warm water, warm climate. Warm माने गरम. तेने एठी लिखा हला warm up. तामने warm up माने कौन हवा? हमें सुनने गरम हवा. अब कौन टा है चे? एठी warm टा verb है चे. एठी सिखिबो. मुतम गोटे सिखी चली थी. Warm up माने warm होची verb है जाई. Means before entering into the particular chapter, first देखो स्कूल रे गोटे टीचिंग थिला तमे तले स्कूल रे थिलो स्कूल टीचिंग वाज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट नाउ सिंस यू हैव टू एबे तमे स्कूल रे ना कॉलेज रे हां सेटा इवन दो इट इज हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल बट स्टिल यू ऑल आर इन कॉलेज सो वार्मिंग अप मींस like you have to prepare yourself smartly or in other words we can say you have to prepare yourself and you have to get ready for the complete understanding analysis and digestive like purpose of the chapter. So now have you ever come across a child deserted by parents? Means say any one of you, have you ever seen, have you ever heard or have you ever experienced that any child who is being deserted by the parents? Desert हमें समझ जानी चाहिए कौन मरुभूमि है ना तो ये सेंटेंस माने कौन है ठीक हाँ अच्छा से कहले अबंडन कर दो तमे कौन फील करुछ कुह सुनो एठी इंटरेक्शन हेले शिखिबो एठी तमे कौन फील करुछ ए चाइल्ड who is being deserted by the parents. Have you ever heard? ସେ ଶୁଣିଛ ଗୋଟେ child being deserted? ସେ ବସିବ ଶୁଣିଛ କି? ତମେ ଝିଅ ଶୁଣିଛ? ଆଚ୍ଛା ସାଇନ୍ସ କେତେ ଜଣ ଟିକେ ହାତ ଲେଖିଲ? 1 2 3 ତମେ ଝିଅ ସାଇନ୍ସ, ତମେ ସାଇନ୍ସ। ଆଚ୍ଛା PCMB କେତେ ଜଣଙ୍କର? ଫିଜିକ୍ସ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି। मोर बैकग्राउंड कौन? मोर बैकग्राउंड साइंस। मैं इंग्लिश उपरे एते डेवलप करी जाइछि तेणु इंग्लिश पढ़ौछि, तेणु मो बैकग्राउंड हो साइंस। मु तमर साइंस क्लास पे किछटा नेबी। सो नाउ हियर द टर्म deserted means like any child who are having their parents, but the parents are like what? Careless, irresponsible, and they are not taking proper care of their respective child. That is why the term deserted is being substituted. बुझीगला ना? इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश हला कष्ट हला। एठी सत्य कहबो, सत्य कहले सिखिबो। आ जदी चुप रही जिवो, लाज करिवो, नर्वस हो, आ लाइफ रे सिखि परिबोनी। मो कथा मन पड़िबो केतेबेले तमे तुमको जेतले 30 35 हे जाइथो मन पड़, सेतोला नथिबो हला। हां, now how does he or she grow up? Means when some parents they desert, they like become irresponsible and they become careless for their respective child, how they grow up, how they prosper, and how they like take the like different steps, how they like become like what, how to develop in life. Because you all know it is the moral responsibility of the parents to give utmost care, to give moral character, ethical character, spiritual activities, social activities. So all those things are being given by the parents. But in this particular chapter, the author has described when somebody is being deserted by the parents, how the life of the child will be. गोटे पिला को जेतबेले तांकर बापा माँ कौन करेंगे? इरेस्पॉन्सिबल हेबे, केयरलेस हेबे, दे विल नॉट बी टेकिंग प्रॉपर केयर, सेतबेले गोटे पिलार फ्यूचर कौन हेई पारे? Who looks after his or her education? That means when the child is being deserted, who will be looking after the education? Who will be taking the responsibility? If you have not come across such an like origin in real life, see the harrowing experiences of growing up in the movie and directed by Danny Boyle and co-directed in India by so and so. It is an adaptation to novel by Indian author diplomat like Vikas Swarup. That means in this particular chapter, we are going to learn how the parents they desert their respective child and what would be the condition of the child in that particular area, in that particular place. Because unless the parental care is there, so definitely there will be a lot of problems like moral problem, psychological problem, social problem. So all round problems will be creating. All round माने सबू problem को माने करो खाइया problem, रहिबा problem, understanding problem, सबू problem को हमें गोटे word कह देबो all round problem. All round problem माने सबू problem, scientific problem, moral problem, social problem से गोटे word English कह देले that will like कौन substitute कर देला. बुझि गेलो? The text. So that means warm up means warm up ta bujha. Warm up means before entering into any particular chapter, we have to be pre-prepared. We have to be ready. We have to be smart enough to grasp whatever is going to be taught on that particular chapter. माने गोटे चैप्टर रे कौन पढ़ा हबो ता पूर्व जानिबाटाकू ताकू हम इंग्लिश टर्म कहबा प्री प्रिपरेशन हला. प्री प्रिपरेशन, गेटिंग रेडी हला, देन टू बी लाइक व्हाट एक्साइटेड एनफ, देन सेटा को होची वार्म अप. बुझी गलो वार्म अप मीनिंग? तापरे टेक्स्ट. I was living alone in an empty flat in a quiet Moscow street. My parents were divorced and my father was somewhere in Kazakhstan with his new wife and their 2 children. I seldom receives letters from him. That means the author, he himself is narrating his life stories, his life experiences, how he had undergone माने से केमितिया प्रकार असुविधार सम्मुखीन होइचंती. So all those things he has explained. First is like the author, he was living in Moscow street in a flat. Flat समझते जानिचा ना के जाने ना. My parents were divorced and my father was somewhere in Kazakhstan with his new wife. Means the parents were divorced, means father mother they got departed from each other. Divorce jaha, departed se या separated se. आमे तो इंग्लिश टर्म देले divorced हैला गोटे सोशल टर्म, departed हैला आउट के sophisticated टर्म और separated हैला जनरल इंग्लिश टर्म. So his parents, they were completely separated, means they were completely divorced. Okay, and his father was living in Kazakhstan, and with whom new wife and 2 children. So now you understood, means the father, he got married to another lady who were having 2 children and left his original wife. बुझिला ना बुझि पाइलानी बुझिला सेंटेंस सुनथिबा सिखिबा. I seldom received letters from him, means his father seldom writes letters to him because when the father was in divorced condition, so he forgot his first wife and first children. He concentrated on the second wife and other 2 children from the second wife. So that means how pathetic the situation would be. My mother was at the front. She had given up her work as a geologist to become a singer and was giving concerts for the troops. So his mother was in the front list. Here front list means his mother was bound to take the responsibility of the family since she was divorced. See, English बुझी गला ना बुझी पाइले नहीं टिके टिके अनुमान करी बुझी जाउथबो. She had given up her work as a geologist, means his mother was working as a geologist. She gave up, means left the job due to those diverse problems, social problems. She got frustrated and she resigned from the job to become a singer and was giving concerts for the troops, and at last left the job of geologist and she decided to join as a singer. तम भितर के जने सिंगर अच्छा के तमे अच्छा कोठी इंडियन आइडल जाइछ मुंबई जाइथिला बस. Singer was giving concerts for the troops, means she left her job being a geologist and concentrated on singing, and she was singing songs for the troops, means for army people, police personnel. So that means her complete hobby got diverted. My education was left to the street. The street taught me swear, smoke, spit elegantly through my teeth. Means the author's education was left on the street. Left on the street means the author was small, parents they got divorced. Even the father was there, he was irresponsible, and he was taking care of the second wife and her children. So the author was completely deserted by the parents. So that is why who will be taking care of the education? Who will be taking the responsibility? Who will be giving the ideas, thoughts, views? So that is why author also was frustrated. The street taught me to swear, smoke, spit elegantly through my teeth. So since there is no social life, no parental care, so the author was bound to roam around the streets, taking different unsocial activities like smoking, spitting. That means say author got desocialized because since the parents are divorced, there is no one to care, no one to guide. Then and keep my fist at the ready, a habit which I have to do this. That means whatever thoughts, ideas, it enters into the mind of the author. Individually, he takes the decision. Suppose, for example, now at this stage, you all are coming. You all have taken admission in different colleges, and you all are coming to study. So unless somebody gives advice, so you'll be nowhere. So in similar situation, when the author was being deserted by the parents and was having no care, so he felt like what? Sleepless, restless, helpless, which is a very pathetic scene in this particular chapter. The street taught me not to be afraid of anything or anyone. अच्छा, एटा कौन बुझिला पहला देखिए. The street taught me not to be afraid of anything or anyone. किछ नहीं सुना भूल हो भूल हेले हाँ झिया कहला. अच्छा, very good. देखा आउ थर पढ़. The street taught me not to be afraid of anything or anyone. आउ के कहबो. हाँ, से either you translate in simple English or in Odia or in Hindi or Bengali, whatever language you like. The line says that whatever we can't, whatever education or whatever in society we get from knowledge, everything was from the streets. Everything from the streets. How can I say? Anyway, so here the street taught me not to be afraid of anything or anyone. The street taught me signifies since the author was having no guardian, he was not the custody of somebody, there is no one to guide him, and the parents they got divorced. So somehow whenever he likes, wherever he likes, usually what he does, he roams, he smokes, he speeds, he like wander here and there. So that means most of the time his life was spent on the street. So that means the street taught means he learned from the street not to be afraid. माने तम लाइफ रे माने करो तम लाइफ रे जिते प्रॉब्लम आसीबो जिते हार्डल आसीबो जिते असुविधा आसीबो तमे सेते स्ट्रांग हबो स्ट्रांग आसीबो स्ट्रेंथ आसीबो कॉन्फिडेंस आसीबो and you will be more knowledgeable. So since the author was having no care, no parental care, no guardianship care, there is no responsible person who will be looking after him, who will be guiding him. So he himself was the guardian of himself. So chapter na kon dechi? Standing up for yourself. That means you have to stand for yourself. So that means the author signifies, he like cleared that since there is no one to guide me, the situation, the circumstance on the street taught me how to become independent, fearless, not to be afraid of. बुझीगला तामे से कहबा चाहूचंती से स्ट्रीट तांको सिखेला केमिति इंडिपेंडेंट हबो केमिति फियरलेस हबो. स्ट्रीट सिखेला माने कोन स्ट्रीट माने एठी एक्चुअली स्ट्रीट नुहे तांकर से जो सिचुएशन से जो सर्कमस्टेंस ता तांको बाध्य कला इंडिपेंडेंट हबा पाई. लाइक दिस इज अनदर हैबिट आई हैव केप्ट मींस से दिस सर्कमस्टेंस made the writer to become like what? Independent, to become like sacrificed, to become brave, to become like extraordinary, to become something like which can never be guided by anybody. Because the situation compelled him to follow his principle माने situation compel माने तांको परिस्थिति एमिति बाध्य कला से कौन हेले fearless हेले और independent हेले I realized that what mattered in the struggle for life was to overcome my fear of those who were stronger means say in this particular line the writer wants to explain I realized what mattered in the struggle for life means say struggle in life anybody's life whosoever like suppose there are some people they struggle in life there are some people their life is a bed of roses they have never seen any such of difficulties in life they have a very comfortable very relaxable very gorgeous and very like what happy life so in this particular chapter the writer wants to explain the situation compelled the situation forced him to become independent to become like a own guardian to become like a responsible person for himself so that means in this particular thing he understood that like to become like those who struggle in life suppose whoever that means if he keep on struggling in life so definitely every now and then lot of problems will be coming in our respective life माने तमे सब एठी आसछ एबे हैला एठी लोकल पिला किछि थिबो जो माने एई कटक पिला हैला कि आउ केते जण बाहरु आसीथिबे के जाजपुर आस्थिबो के केंद्रापड़ आस्थिबो के जगतपुर आस्थिबो के बालेश्वर आस्थिबो हैला कि so those who have come from far away places and staying in the hostel in the rented house so definitely their life will be in little bit struggle बाहरु के आछछ जगतपुर के केंद्रापड़ा के बालेश्वर भद्रक अच्छा anyway so those who have come away from the parents means say parents are in the village and you all are here so when you all are with your parents so they are the father mother they were taking the all round responsibility of yours like fooding lodging social care moral care everything they were taking but now you have to be your own guardian own caretaker own responsible person so that means you are in struggle position so here the author wants to explain anybody in the earth those who keep on struggling those who face lot of hurdles lot of difficulties horny life not bed of roses those who like undergo the life with bed of roses that life is totally different than the funny life माने कोन कंटकित जीवन तामाने जहा लाइफ रे जेते प्रॉब्लम आसीबो असुविधा आसीबो लाइफ रे एवरी स्टेप रे देयर विल बी सम हडल माने असुविधा तेनु डेफिनेटली दोज सर्कमस्टेंस दोज सिचुएशन विल मेड देम टू लर्न बेटर थिंग्स जहा लाइफ रे जेते स्ट्रगल करिवे से मान ही बहुत जिंस सिखिबे बुझी गलो स्ट्रगल लाइफ फनी लाइफ माने कंटकित जीवन जहां लाइफ रे बेसी असुविधा आसे हैला माने लाइफ रे माने राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग सोशल प्रॉब्लम मे बी मोरल प्रॉब्लम मे बी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम मे बी एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम so all those problems it inflicts the brain that means the brain gets some extra knowledge the brain becomes pre-prepared to face any type of hurdles which will be coming in future ता माने आमे जेते असुविधा रे पड़िबा आमे स्ट्रगल करिबा जेते स्ट्रगल करिबा ब्रेन त सेते स्ट्रेंथ गेन करिवो सेते जणे स्ट्रांग हबो राइट तण फास्ट यूनिट ता समस्त बुझिलो ए जो क्वेश्चन अछि थिंक इट आउट 1 to 7 नेक्स्ट क्लास सु करिकरी आछो नहले हम डिस्कशन करिया now let us go to warm up unit 2 do you think the narrator was scared of someone in particular read the following unit of the text and find out the reasons that made every boy scared of red. Means say in the second unit, like the narrator explains, do you realize, do you feel the narrator was afraid of anything? Because since the narrator struggled quite a lot. Acha, why did the narrator struggle? Why did the narrator had a struggle life? Who can say? Anybody? Go. Very good. Sit down. So that means say in the second unit, like we are going to learn whether being like what the son of diverse parents, whether the narrator was scared or was having any sort of psychological, physical, or social problems in his life. Now let us see. The ruler of our street was a boy of about 16 who was nicknamed Red. That means on that particular street where the author was roaming, because since there is no guardian, there is no anyone to guide him, so most of the time, usually he used to be outside. And the person who was the caretaker, who was the guardian, who was the responsible person of that street, his name was Red. Means usually people call him Red. Red was big and broad shouldered beyond his years. So that Red, who was the responsible person of that street, like his gesture was how, even though he was small, like his age was not that much, but he was a very grown up boy, very like what broad shoulder. He was looking very brave, very strong boy. Red walked masterfully up and down the street, legs wide and with a slightly rolling gait like a seaman on his deck. That means on that particular area, the locality had given the responsibility to Mr. Red to look after the all-round problems of that locality. बुझिल माने सही लोकालिटी रे से रेड कर से छोट पिलाटे तांकर बयस एते हेई नथिला बट स्टिल ही वाज लुकिंग वेरी स्ट्रांग हैला जेंति मानकर तम क्लास रे से झियोटी छोट देखा जाउछ हैला ता माने नो जे से झियो छोट हैला कि तेणु से जो रेड जे he was looking very like what huge, but still he was having experience, he was very strong. Who was given the responsibility of that street? माने कर ए एरिया रे जने लोकन को दिया हला जे रास्ता रे को माने गंडगोल करिवे, रास्ता रे को माने गाड़ी रखुचंती, को माने दुष्ट होउचंती, से समस्त कोन करिवे वॉच आउट करिवे ता माने सेही भली the Mr. Red was given the responsibility of that street in that area. सही street रो responsibility तांको दिया जाई थिला. And most of the time, like usually he moves around smartly so that the local people were very afraid of him. माने से तो चाली जानती तांको से लोकल लोक देखि कोन करंती डरंती हैला. From under his cap, its peak always at the back of the head. His forelock tumbled down in a fussy cascade, and out of his round, pock-marked face, green eyes like a cat's sparkle with room for everything and everyone. From under his cap, its peak always at the back of his head. That means Mr. Red, his gesture माने होची जनक बाहर देखले से केमते देखा जाए. मानेकर जनकर इनर क्वालिटी आम केतବେଳେ जानिबा केतବେଳେ जानिबा माने इनर क्वालिटी माने जनकर भितर कौन सब गुण अच्छी केतବେଳେ जानिबा अनलेस वी इंटरैक्ट आमे तांको संगे कथा गपिबा तांकर एक्टिविटी की मार्क करिबा तापर जानिबा माने कर तमे वर्तमान किए कोन मु कोन टोटल जानि परिबि अनलेस वी इंटरैक्शन माने मु पचारिबी तमे कहूथिबो किंतु जेस्चर माने जण को केवल कोन फ्रंट रु देखि कि फिजिकली व्हाटएवर वी गेस सेटा हला जेस्चर सो मिस्टर रेड ही वाज लुकिंग वेरी स्ट्रांग very brave and very like what very commanding person very arrogant person his forelock tumbled down in a fairy cascade and out of his round marked face green eyes like a cat sparkled with means he was looking very like what scary very gorgeous very strong very reflective and in that locality everybody they were having like a high standard respect for him like high standard like what stage for him because Mr. Red was given the responsibility of that area to look after any disturbances which may occur at any moment माने सेही एरिया रे मिस्टर रेन को तांको दायित्व दिया जाइथिला सेही एरिया रे के डिस्टर्ब करले कि किछि अनसोशल एक्टिविटी क्रिएट करले तनो ही वाज टेकिंग द रेस्पोंसिबिलिटी 2 or 3 lieutenants in peaked caps back to front like red tipped at his heels means say the Mr. Red he was looking like lieutenants means those who are having very high position in police army BSF CRPF in all those fields mean those who will be having very high position suppose amaro तमे सुनिथिबो आर्मी रे एबे हमर जने हेले एयर फोर्स रो ईस्टर्न कमांड रो चीफ मार्शल जने हेले डीके पटनायक जने ओडिया दिलीप कुमार पटनायक सुनिथिबो आमर वर्तमान इंडिया रो आर्मी चीफ के अछन मिस्टर एमएम नरबाणे से केमति देखा होचन वेरी स्ट्रांग स्टाउट like very like what gorgeous sei manu ko kha jaye lieutenant so that means Mr. Red he was having a very strong gesture like a lieutenant very like what very high officer very high position that means people are very scared of him Red could not stop anybody and say impressively the one word money his lieutenants would turn out the badge packets and if he resisted they beat him means say on that street anybody who will be moving who will be passing so like Mr. Red was having such personality such renowned activities in that area whomsoever he charges anything they are bound to give माने सेही एरिया रे सेही स्ट्रीट रे जे जहा करूना कहे कि मिस्टर रेड तांकु जहा कहिबे से दबा को बाध्य ता माने आमे जो सिंपल ओडिया लैंग्वेज